It's a couple of days away from Thanksgiving and I'm here at Costco and I'm kind of nervous walking in there, but let's go see what the heck is going on in there. It's packed. It took me forever to find a parking spot. TVs, TVs, TVs. It's TVs galore. More. Do you need a TV? We have the fresh cedars. They smell so good. For $19.99. They're having turkey dinner cat with stuffing gravy. If you don't feel like doing anything. It looks great. Looks like it has turkey breast. They even have full smoked turkey. You don't gotta cook this, just put it in the oven. You don't gotta brine, you don't gotta put it in the fridge for days. It's ready to go. It's 12 minutes per pound and it's ready to go. This looks delicious. And they got your turkey gravy. It's also ready to go. Pomegranates are back in season. Look how big they are. Korean shingle pear. This huge pumpkin pie. Cranberry walnuts. Roast duck if you're into that. And cornbread chorizo stuffing. Got some pate. Cranberry jalapeno meatballs. You want to be bougie? They got the caviar. How about some creme brulee for dessert? Comes in glass containers. Best butter you can get on Costco is this one. It's grass-fed. Hot cocoa mix. Did you know you can get chocolate bowls at Costco for $12.99? Grapes. Have you seen the nurse and says, no, don't put this in there? Now I can't unsee it.